Hey everybody, I wanted to show you a cool tip on turning off the live view display setting on your Sony a7R3. Now, like with any mirrorless camera, you have an electronic viewfinder. So what that means is that whatever your settings are, you are seeing in real time what you're getting. So if you adjust your exposure, your shutter speed, your aperture, your ISO, you're seeing it, what it's actually doing to the photo that you're about to take. The thing is, when you're shooting with artificial light and you're wanting to kill the ambient light, you're wanting to stop your camera down so it shuts out all the ambient light. What happens in the electronic viewfinder is that you're shooting now in darkness and you're not seeing what you're gonna get in the back of the camera. You're not even seeing any sort of image, because what you did is you've taken all that ambient light and took it out, and now the camera is just black. And that makes it very difficult to see what you're actually doing. So what you need to do is you go in your camera's menu, and there is a setting in there called live view display setting, and you wanna shut that off. And what that does is just gives you a nice, clean, well-lit display without it actually affecting your settings. What you do is you go into your menu, and on the second camera tab there is a setting that's called live view display, and you need to turn that off. So if you go over to the second camera tab, click over to page 7 of 9 and click live view display, you turn the setting effect to off. And now what that does, no matter what your settings are, it'll always give you a clear picture on your LCD screen so you can compose and see your photo. That's super helpful when you're working with artificial light. Don't forget to turn it back on when you are working with ambient light and you want to see what your exposure settings are actually doing. If it's something that you use often, I suggest you put it in your My Menu or put it on one of your custom function buttons. I hope that was helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.